Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so rugged and so tired. I just woke up, but we are working hard early in this morning and it's Memorial Day. So hubby's home, we're working on some stuff. I've had gotten some requests to show my barn. Now, I wanted to do some videos on how we did our things that we did, and I do have footage of it, but my internet out here is no bueno, so it just takes so much time to even upload it. And I don't know, if you guys really do want to see on how we did everything, I could find somewhere to go and upload them, but it's very time consuming, and I'm sorry for my face. But I just want to give you a tour of my barn. My restroom is still not done, and this is, I don't know, this is part of it. You guys don't want to see all of it. Not right now. So I will show you guys my barn, and I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye. Let me pause it because now I don't know what to do. Okay, so walking into the barn. This is what it is, total construction zone. We're doing all this stuff, and we're building a closet upstairs. But this is the way it looks downstairs when you walk in. That's a work in progress. It's a moss wall. And upstairs is my kitchen. And over here, over on this side, we did a house in a house. So our bedroom is in there. So yeah, this is my living room for now. All of this is reclaimed wood. So there was a guy that online, we just found him, and he tears down fences. So we pay him $40 for the load. And $40 a load, and I think he brought us maybe 3 or 4 loads. So right now my husband's working in the 3rd level, which is up here, which is our closet right now. But yeah, and back in here, don't mind, these are clean clothes. But those are some pods for the boys. But yeah, so upstairs, and this also is reclaimed wood. It was a different fencing, but that's just one coat of paint. I'm gonna do another coat. Okay, let's walk up. Doo-doo-doo. Okay. Isn't that so cute? It's like a shadow box. And then up the stairs. So right now we have 3 of these units. And all they do is just vent outside. But it keeps us semi-cool, especially when it's super, super hot. It's not that great. But anyways, we made up to the kitchen. There's a little bar that we made. This is 100-year-old wood right here. Taken from my Theo's house. So we kind of went with that same white theme, going all the way across. Now my kids used to have a trampoline right here downstairs, so they used to jump from here downstairs, but not anymore. We took it out. So that's the way it looks from up here. It's a pretty big room. Okay, and this is my kitchen. It is such a work in progress, but it's okay. It's functional. I'm able to use it. And these countertops are what came with the kitchen stuff, so you know, I'm just using it for the meantime. This is very temporary too, but we had it, so we're using it. We ended up purchasing this one, and this came with all the kitchen stuff. And it works. I just used it, but this is my pantry, work in progress. I'm gonna end up having shelves down here also. And then over here, I'm gonna have more shelves and so much stuff. But yes, this is my kitchen. Now we can go check out my room, but my room is what we're actually working on right now, so. My husband's like, don't bring it in the room. I'm bringing it in the room. Okay, so right now, we are actually we just did this yesterday. We built the stairs up to the 3rd floor. And we put the bed here because this is the coolest room in the house as far as for the summertime. So we're trying to enclose everything. This is not gonna be there. We are actually... Turn on the light up here, man. The light is on. I know. Sorry. So we're putting this door here, but... So we're actually from... Is it right here? Yeah. So from right here, we're gonna bring the wall up to block everything. But we put our closet up in this mug.
Squeeze through there.
Yeah, I got it. So we're gonna walk in the door. And I've got a closet space up here. We're making use of every inch of this house that we can.
Except for the great room, because it's great.
Except for the great room, because it's great.
Yeah.
It's great, great. Oh, yeah. I'll be here to help you in a minute, babe.
I'll believe that when I see it.
Okay, so yeah, so that's our room. That feels so good. Okay. So, let's bring you back down. I really don't want to show you this room because this stuff down here is just so needs to be worked on. This is the work room, my husband's tool room. My kids, they have their 2 closets here. This is right now this is a spare room that we're keeping all the junk in. Not junk, but stuff that doesn't need to be out there. This is our spare restroom that we are going to be working on. It's all plumbed in. Plumbing, yeah. The plumbing's already done in here. We just have to, money. It takes money. And this is actually the restroom that we use to take showers. And once we get the other one up and running, we're gonna finish this one first, all the way completed, and then we'll come back and work on this one. But yeah, so this is hola. This is it, guys. I mean, like I said, this is gonna be totally rough. I'm not editing anything. I'm just gonna videotape it, post it, and if you guys have any questions or on how we did stuff, you know, I'll be happy to post something. But hi. And this is our little storage area. All the junk that we have to go through.
Nope.
Well,
Never.
later.
Never.
Hi, baby girl. Hi, my pretty girl. Oh, here comes Speedy. Hi, you hear me talking and you come running? You hear me talk and you come running? Hi, mamas. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. This is my little... Oh, my gosh. See? I can't keep anything nice over here. But anyways, this is all my adventure that I'm going through right now. So I'll talk to you guys later. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Hi, girls. I don't have anything. I'm not... Walk yourself. Say bye, my girls. And boy over there. Bye, babies.